Okay. I can't believe I'm doing this. Apologies for the quality. First time, I guess. Best camera I had. We have a display to open. Just quickly get myself a trusty knife. Sorry, sticker, but you have to go as well. We're here to protect my home. I feel so bad. Now the sticker makes sense. Oh. I nearly cut myself. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's so pretty. Oh, it looks so good. We have a display. How do you actually... I didn't get one in so long. I think the last display was an avatar. Look at that. Okay. There's bears on the oh, I don't have to turn it around anymore. There is a bear on here. Now that's a good sign. I am so fucking hyped. How many packs is it? Was it like 30, 33, 34? We'll find out, shall we? Let's look at this first. That is sticky. Wow. I don't want to break anything. We have Bilbo's ring. Looking good. Nice foil on it as well. I don't even know if Bilbo's ring is a big card or not. Let me read that, boy. That is really fucking good. I think that's a pretty good card. I will sleeve that. This guy goes here, and we start with the bear because I love bears. Oh, I got the bee. Now that's the real hit. You didn't see it, but I made a funny face where I like went like, oh, because I wanted this guy. Isn't he like pretty good? I'll look after. I'll look after. Keep that in mind though. Smoke's Fury. Little bear. That's a win. That's a win. Back on the file. Yeah. Of Glory. Like get a better glimpse of this, but it's like my lighting is not great. How about I don't know if this is better. This might be better. It's such a weird like way to hold my cards. It's like I have them in like this angle for me. Like I have to look on my monitor to see what you're seeing. The nasty little rabbit. Let's go. I will have to do something about this. Dying Iron Foot. Okay. One spatula. And a land. Beautiful land as well. I'll have to do something about harm sitting. Oh, and an enduring story token. Very nice, very nice. I'll be right back. One sec. Alrighty. So, as it seems, I believe a bit of light is still necessary. Honestly, it's just... I wish I had a better camera. This is annoying. I am really blessed with those two. He's okay. I'm planning an adventure deck. But those two, I am very, very happy about. I will just leave these right here. Stay in place, please. And we shall continue. I'm a huge The Hobbit fan. I will throw this out there. I prefer The Hobbit over Lord of the Rings any day. It's just, for me personally, much more fun to watch. Bothide Wanderers. Ori. Getting all the drells. Lake Shore Apothecary. Duskwatch Hunter. Tidings of War. Bilbo's Deadly Sire. Group of Ponies. Actually very cute. One of my favorite parts of the movie. Ooh. Thorin Oakshield himself. quickly check that. I wasn't quite sure if it was Thorin Oakshield or Thorin King of Durin's Folk, but it's King of Durin's Folk. That's pretty cool. I like that. Old fat spider can't see me. Love that. I'm not trying to read that. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, 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 wait, okay. This time I double check. I immediately check I could swear this guy was important. Okay. It was the strategist that was going for crazy prices right now. Ah! Still going for 3 quid. But, oh, love the mountain. Look at that, the gang. And a treasure token. Love that. I'll sort through these later and then let you know what we hit and or what not. Alright. Next pack. Oh, another hit for me personally, because that, my guys, now that's a bear. You read that, it says bear, so that is a bear. He might not be great. That's a bear. I love bears. We take that. Amazing. Long leg nuisance. Old thrush. Okay. Ah! I really need a different setup for this. You have no idea how weirdly I sit here right now. Map, okay. Throws map, okay. Lake Town Marines. Belladonna Took! Wait, wasn't... Let me just double read this. Belladonna Took. Now I'm quite sure that is one of the ones people are talking about. Yeah. Every token deck loves this. That might get my taser deck actually. Great card. And we got it. Oh, we got the shiny little bears. We got them in shiny. Oh, and one of the swamps. I love that. And an adventure token, which is pretty good for us actually. You will see in the future why. You will see why. Okay. I'll just put these here. How am I doing this? I will put cards I consider a hit over here. And then later I will go through these and actually let you know which ones were proper hits and which ones weren't. The next pack. Oh, we have the full version of him. Beautiful. Okay, love that. It's a hit for me. Well, not necessarily because, but it's a bear's card. It has to. It's not a bear, but it has to do with bears, you know. Good for me. Ooh, Sting. Love that. Pathmaker. Another beautiful land. Another adventure token. Let me quickly check the... For 3 mana! I just read it. That's, in my opinion, that's really fucking good. Let me check. Only 70p. I think that's really good. Maybe I'm just crazy. I know no trample or anything. Personally, I like that. That goes in one of my decks. Next pack. Oh, we have another bear. It's always a good sign. Oh, we got a hobbit hole. Ooh, Smaug. Wait a minute. Let me look into Smaug. There were a couple very good ones. Where would Smaug be? Okay. But I don't think this is the crazy one, because usually any adventure is bad. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Please. Oh. Oh no, I ripped the pack. Oh well. I mean, I know it's not bad, but I just don't like doing that. I loved that scene in the movies. That was pretty good. Come on. Ah! Don't fall apart. Ooh. That one's also going in my adventure deck, actually. Wait, that's Smaug the Magnificent. Whoa. That is Smaug the Magnificent. Let me just quickly. Oh, we got a hit! Banger! Hehe. Love the foil on this, by the way. Beautiful foil. Oh! I am already blessed. Another bear pack. Remember, those are the lucky ones. I will say, getting a set with a bunch of bears was not on my bucket list. But I am very happy. Thorin's Last Stand. I love a full art card. Master of Lake Town. My pile is slowly falling apart because it's getting so much. I think I will finish this row of cards and then sort through them for the first time. Pause the recording. Just a little scared that it's not working or something. Oh, it's so cute. Sorry. Oh, it's so cute. Look. Bear. That's a bear. We take a bear. Look at him. Oh. I love him. That's so cute. Will he go in my bear deck? Maybe not. Does it matter? No. He's going in my bear binder. Well, pet binder. Oh, that's beautiful. It's really pretty. I am just such a sucker for good lands. And another token. One last bear for the first strand then. Passage. First pile of cards. I'll look through these in a second and sort them out. Alright, let's get a quick drink. Sunlight's giving the room a bit of a more goldish glow. I don't know if the camera can capture anything, to be honest. It's not a good camera. But I really needed an excuse to tell myself it's okay to order a display. And recording it was the right choice, I guess. And I can't really put my phone in any good position for this, so... Oh no, I ripped it again. Oh. Ate it. Let's keep going, shall we? Another Thorin auction. We have like 3 of them now. But in all different types, right? So we have the normal version, now the foil version, and we have the full art version. Which is arguably the best one, obviously, but... Please. I beg. Don't be one of those packs. Next pack. Ooh, starts good. Another adventure. Sadly, not the right colors for us. Bear! I would love to play this guy in one of my bear decks, but they don't have black. We need another black and green bear. Thank you, wizards. Hope you're listening. Need to play this guy in a bear deck. That's also not really a... How about we get a red, black, green bear? How about that? Then he can go in a deck and I can have a red bear that isn't... Haska or Tuska? I don't remember her name. Mian. So I don't know if you can tell, but my voice is maybe a little more crispy than usual. My throat hurts a little bit, but that's okay. Oh wait, it's the long-bodied grey dog. Hey, I love that actually. I would love to be like one of those guys that says we're looking for the big hit, but I'm not even sure what the big hit is. Like I know Smog is a pretty good hit because I have a website open next to me, but I'm not super sure what the big hits are in this set. I mean, there's obviously like the One Ring or the other Smog, but I just want some bears. I have one hit I really want, and that's a fun little enchantment that features some dancing bears and bears on landfall, and that's like the big hit I really want. But yeah, that's very much. Ooh, pretty. Let me just... There you go. It's really pretty. So many adventures, just not the right way. I think I just scrolled past that. Yeah, €4 card. Beautiful. Okay, that looks expensive. Okay. That's the Lonely Mountain. I need to know if this is worth anything before I do anything. Because I never pulled something with an artwork like that. And now I'm scared. I can't find it. Okay, I don't think it's that special. I just saw the not special art and it says €2 or so. Let me see if I can find this out. This reads 248. Oh, that is money. Not as much as Smoke though, but still a lot of money. Oh gosh. What am I even doing? That's not the card I wanted. Give me the bear enchantment. Another lake town and a bird, a soldier, and an axe. Very fun, yes. Next pack. Smoke Wicked Worm. I don't think I have a Smog Wicked Worm yet, and I don't think I know if this is worth anything. Okay, now you know, this is again where the magic begins, because we have another bear. Is it dancing from dark till dawn too much to ask? I'd cry if I couldn't find that card, honestly. Okay, we're like halfway through. We have some nice hits. I have some cards I want, you know. Just not the one I really, really, really want, but it's okay. Just head on to the next one. Ooh, dreaded at cloud. Very pretty. 4/2 flying death touch. Oh, could this be a good sign? We're starting off with another bear we already have there. Okay, 2 more packs. Let's keep the bear for last. Oh wait, I just noticed. Huh? Oh, okay. Those are both apparently 10 euro cards. Let me just put these aside, and I'm quite sure we drew him before. Let me just fix that up really quick. One sec. I swear I'm not crazy. I've taken my crazy pills today. Did we also just pull this like right after one another? Like what? Yeah, no. I just mixed it up. It wasn't Bard King of Dale. We had a Bard the Bowman. That is on me. But those are 2 pretty decent hits, and one of them is foil. That's pretty nice. Let me just leave these up. I probably brushed past like so many good cards, and I will only realize after cutting the video. Okay, last pack for this row. Nasty little rabbits. Ooh, foil. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I love this one. That's so good. It's like the sunset on the lake. Beautiful. Okay, another sip and we'll be right back. Okay, so what I did is I sorted these into 3 piles depending on what we have. And just for the fun of it, we can see which of these gives us the best hits. It probably won't make a difference, but I like looking into it, you know. Then cute. We'll start with this one because this one gave us 4. The other ones we only have 3 of. Obviously, bears for last. Let's go, shall we? First one. I'd be so upset if I didn't get a single one of the other bears. But we have another big old pile to go through. I'm sure we'll find at least one of the bear cards we're looking for. Or I'd take the One Ring, or the big Gandalf, or any of the other fun hits you can get. That guy again. Alright, another button. See how this is the one I mixed up, you know? I'm not that crazy. Side. That's the last one of these packs. I don't know if I can cut this and upload it on time, but just so you know, I got this today on the 7th of August. Oh, we got beer. We got beer on the Fierce. Let's go. Not the special art, of course. Because why would I be blessed with a special art of? Why would I? Another one for our hits. Let's put him in a sleeve. Oh, there's only 2 more bears missing, I believe. And that would be the big one. The very, very big bear. And, well, not a bear missing, but my dearest enchantment, my personal chase card. And I would love it as a special art, honestly. I would be so blessed. Open up, bitch. No. Yeah. This is the last one of the Gandalf packs. Fully opened. Another Gandalf. No. We have like 4 of them. Okay. Last 3 packs. Let's go. Let's start in the middle. I can't believe I haven't pulled that card yet. I'm so sad. Oh, that's also not the bear I wanted. That's also not the bear I wanted. In 1 pack, are we sure about this? Oh my god. Ooh, nice pretty art. Not the bear I wanted. This can't be real. No. We got not 1, not 2, but 4 bear cards in 1 pack. And it's not the bears we want. I'm crying. It's so funny. Also, it's very funny. It's obviously funny, but I'm also a bit sad. I want the big bear. No. I'm crying. No. Last pack. This is our last chance for the extra big bear and for Dancing from Dark Till Dawn. Please. I can't believe I got the bear pack and it didn't. It would have been crazy if it had every bear in it. Like that would have been insanity. Roll, roll, roll. No. All right. Well, that was it, I guess. Crying only a little bit, but that's fine. That's okay. So, if we count the cheaper cards, we have actually quite a lot of hits. Best one would still be Smog, and then these I don't think there was a card that popped up that is like in their price range. Though I think this smog was also Elrond as well. You will probably see it on screen. And that, kids, is why we don't gamble. I mean, obviously it's still always fun to open a display, but you know, it's a hit or miss. I hope you had fun opening the display with me. Let me know if you would like to see content like this one in the future. Bye!